How do some people accumulate wealth with seemingly no money to start with? Today we're going to unravel the mystery. Are you sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Or how will you pay your next bill? We'll delve into the secrets that can turn dreams of wealth into reality, even when starting from zero. Learn the ultimate wealth secrets even if you have no money in the bank. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these wealth secrets. The first step to wealth creation is developing a growth mindset. Picture this. You're at the base of a mountain, looking up at its peak. Your journey to the top represents your path to wealth. A growth mindset is like the proper footwear for this climb. It's not going to get you to the top by itself, but without it, you'll surely stumble. You see, a growth mindset is the belief that capabilities can be nurtured and developed. It's about embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, and seeing effort as a path to mastery. It's about learning from criticism and finding lessons in the success of others. Wealth creation isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires resilience, positive thinking, and most importantly, a relentless desire to learn. Each day is an opportunity to grow, to improve, to take one more step towards the peak of that mountain. With a growth mindset, you're already on your way to becoming a millionaire. Next, you need to invest in yourself. What does that mean exactly? Well, think of yourself as a business. Any savvy business owner knows that to thrive and grow, they must invest in their operations, in their product. You are your own product. Investing in yourself is about recognizing your own potential and taking active steps to capitalize on it. It's about continuous learning and personal development. It's about expanding your knowledge, honing your skills, and pushing your boundaries. Consider education and training. The world is evolving at a rapid pace, and to stay competitive, you must keep up. Whether it's taking a course, learning a new language, or pursuing a degree, education is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. But remember, self-investment isn't just about formal education. It's also about personal development. Reading, meditating, exercising. These are all forms of self-investment that can pay huge dividends in terms of well-being and productivity. Remember, you are your greatest asset. Now it's time to set clear goals. Why is this crucial? Well, goals are like a compass, directing your efforts and keeping you on track towards wealth creation. Without them, you're simply drifting on the ocean of life, letting the waves dictate your course. Goals, both short-term and long-term, give you a roadmap, a clear path to follow. Short-term goals are your immediate steps, your day-to-day actions that align with your vision. They can be as simple as saving a certain amount every month, or reading a book about financial literacy. Long-term goals, on the other hand, are your ultimate destination. These are your grand visions, like owning a house, starting a business, or achieving financial freedom. Remember, your goals should be SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This makes them practical and tangible, not just wishful thinking. With clear goals in mind, you're one step closer to your wealth creation journey. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content that will boost your financial journey. The next step is to create a plan. It's like preparing for a journey. You wouldn't embark on a trip without a map, would you? So why would you embark on the journey of wealth creation without a plan? Your plan is your map to wealth. It's a clear, well-researched and realistic outline that will guide your steps towards your financial goals. Remember, this isn't just about dreaming big, it's about setting practical, achievable steps that will lead you to those big dreams. Your plan should include details on how you'll invest in yourself, how you'll network, and how you'll utilize your skills and talents. It should outline your side hustles and how you'll leverage free marketing. It should also consider market needs and how you'll adapt to meet them. The road to wealth may be long and winding, but with a solid plan, you'll always know which way to go. A solid plan is your roadmap to wealth. Now you need to network. This is an essential step on your journey to wealth. Why? Because relationships are the currency of the business world. They open doors to opportunities, information, and resources that you otherwise wouldn't have access to. So, how do you network effectively? It starts with being genuine. People can tell when you're just trying to use them. So make sure that you're developing relationships with a sincere interest in the other person. Next, be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Attend conferences, join professional organizations, and reach out to people in your desired field. Remember, networking is a two-way street. It's not just about what you can get from others, but also what you can give. By offering your own resources and expertise, you become a valuable connection in your network. In the end, networking is an investment in your future. As the saying goes, your network is your net worth. Next, identify your skills and talents. You see, wealth creation is not a one-size-fits-all game. Every individual possesses a unique combination of skills and talents that can be harnessed for financial success. Imagine you have a knack for storytelling. This could be transformed into a successful podcast or a best-selling book, or perhaps you have a flair for design. This could be the foundation of a lucrative career in graphic design or interior decoration. The key is to recognize these inherent abilities and find ways to monetize them. This requires a level of self-awareness and introspection. Spend some time reflecting on what you're naturally good at and what you enjoy doing. Remember, your skills and talents are not just hobbies or pastimes. They are potential income streams and the foundation of your wealth creation journey. When utilized correctly, they can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. Your skills and talents are your keys to wealth. Now consider freelancing or starting a side hustle. This might seem like a daunting task, but it's an incredible way to use your skills and talents to generate additional income. Imagine using your love for graphic design to create logos for budding businesses, or your knack for writing to produce content for websites. Even your ability to manage social media could be a goldmine. The beauty of a freelance gig or side hustle is that it allows you to monetize your passions while also providing flexibility. You control your time and your rates, and as you build a reputation, you can increase your earnings. Your day job may pay the bills, but a side hustle can fund your dreams. It's not just about the extra cash, but about creating multiple streams of income, which is a key factor in wealth creation. Don't underestimate the potential of a side gig. A side hustle can be your ticket to financial freedom. Next, leverage free marketing. Marketing is the lifeblood of any wealth creation journey. It's how you get your product, service, or idea in front of the people who matter. The best part, you don't need to break the bank to make a big impact. Consider social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are free to use and reach billions of people. You can create engaging content, develop a following, and transform your followers into customers. Then there's SEO, or search engine optimization. By understanding what your potential customers are searching for, you can tailor your online presence to match their needs. This drives organic traffic to your website, leading to increased visibility and ultimately sales. Don't forget about networking. By attending industry events or joining online communities, you can meet potential customers and partners, spreading the word about your offering. With effective marketing, you can attract wealth. Now, learn to sell. Sales is the lifeblood of any wealth-building endeavor. It's not just about peddling products or services, it's about persuading people, understanding their needs, and offering solutions. It's about building relationships, earning trust, and providing value. Think of every interaction as a potential sale. Engage in meaningful dialogue, listen actively, and respond with empathy. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy solutions, they buy experiences, and most importantly, they buy you. Improve your sales skills by practicing. Start with small transactions. Sell your old belongings online or at a yard sale. The more you practice, the better you get. Read sales books, attend seminars, and learn from the masters. Knowledge is power. It can transform your fear of selling into confidence and success. Sales is a skill that can be honed, and its mastery can open doors to unlimited wealth. Your ability to sell can make you wealthy. Next, identify market needs. This is a crucial step in the wealth creation process. Now, what does identifying market needs mean? It's all about finding a gap in the market, a need or desire that is not being met, and then creating a product or service to fill that gap. Let's break it down. Start by observing the world around you. What problems do people face? What do they wish they had? Next, validate your observations. Conduct surveys, interviews, or even casual conversations. Find out if there's a genuine need for your idea. Now, it's not just about identifying needs, it's about identifying profitable needs. Look for a market that's large enough and willing to pay for your solution. Remember, a great idea is only as good as the market's willingness to pay for it. And here's a pro tip. Be future-oriented. Anticipate needs that will arise as society evolves. By meeting market needs, you can create wealth. Now stay persistent and adaptable. These two qualities are the unsung heroes of wealth creation. Imagine a river forever persistent, cutting through mountains, shaping landscapes. That's you carving your path to wealth. But remember, the river doesn't force its way. It adapts. It finds the path of least resistance. It's flexible. Persistence, it's your commitment to your goals. It's the burning desire that keeps you pushing forward, even when the odds are stacked against you. Adaptability, on the other hand, is your ability to adjust your sails when the wind changes direction. It's about being nimble, being ready to pivot when a door closes and another one opens. So how do you stay persistent and adaptable? By developing resilience, by welcoming change, by staying curious, and by constantly learning. Keep your eyes on the prize, but don't be afraid to take a detour if it leads to a better route. Persistence and adaptability are your secret weapons for wealth creation. Finally, believe in God. Faith plays an essential role in wealth creation. It's the cornerstone of hope, resilience, and the courage to pursue our dreams. And remember, wealth isn't solely material, it's also spiritual, the richness of your soul, the kindness in your heart, the love you share. These values, deeply rooted in faith, can guide you in your journey to financial prosperity. With faith, you can achieve wealth beyond measure. Learning and applying wealth secrets is within reach for anyone, regardless of their current financial situation. By making the right choices and taking action, you can transform your financial future and achieve the abundance you desire. Now, go out there and start your journey to wealth creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wealth secrets.